Most Ford Explorer key fobs from the 2010s onward can be opened to replace the battery. First, locate the seam on the fob, usually on the back or side. Use a small flathead screwdriver, plastic pry tool, or a specialized key fob opener to gently pry the case open. Avoid using excessive force to prevent damage. Newer models from 2023 to 2025 often have easier snap-in designs. Once open, you'll see the battery compartment. Most Ford Explorer key fobs use a 3-volt CR2032 lithium coin cell battery, though some older models may use CR2025. Before removing the old battery, note its orientation with the positive side up. Remove the old battery carefully. Insert the new battery with correct polarity, positive side up. If contacts are corroded, clean them gently with a soft cloth. Snap the case back together securely. Test the key fob to ensure it works. If not, check battery orientation and case closure.